The basic principle of Ayurveda is healing the body from inside instead of treating the condition. Does this principle work for COVID-19 as well?
Regarding the COVID-19, as you're asking that what Ayurveda can offer, in Ayurveda, in Charak Samhita, there is a chapter that is called Janapadodvans. This chapter describes about epidemics and pandemics. So it's not that this is something new for Ayurveda. Of course, this is a new disease. This is a new virus. A lot of things we are finding out about it. But when it comes to the core principle, how do we, take up to pandemics or epidemics? There have been a very detailed description given in our Charak Samhita, where they have described about how the pandemics are caused, what are the root causes of various types of epidemics and pandemics, what are the protocols for preventing, what are the protocol for, when the spread is there, what kind of sanitization is needed, what kind of, disinfectants are to be used. There's a huge description about that. And when it comes to particular treatments, let's say for example, this particular disease, in Ayurveda, we all know that we go to the root cause. We try to understand the root cause of the problem. And when we talk of root cause, of course, this is a kind of a communicable disease, and the root cause, as described in Ayurveda, is very much in the pollution of air, pollution of water, there is pollution of soil. And if you really go further down, they have described a very beautiful word that the root cause for all this is adharma. Adharma literally here means that when we do not follow basic principles of living. For example, like Arvind ji was just mentioning about a very simple program called Dinacharya. Dinacharya is a very core program that, in very much harmony with this human construction or human system. So if we do not follow Dinacharya, that is also adharma. Or if we are not eating according to our prakriti, that is also adharma. So this is how, in Ayurveda, they have described the basic protocols. How do we work with the pandemics? And there are various types of treatment protocols also. The first one, of course, dealing with the disease, and then how to build the immunity, then how to build the herd immunity. They have described all these things in quite deep details, and that is why I think now even today our Ayush ministry is very active. They have formed many different types of teams. Task force are there, and a lot of clinical trials are going, and I'm very confident that very soon we are going to hear something very positive that will be not only helpful for Indian population but for the whole world.